Okay, so we're asked to show the inequality x is greater than or equal to 3.5 on the graph. So first thing to do is draw the line x equals 3.5. So that will be a line where x is 3.5 and it goes up the entire duration of the graph, so it'll be about here. So that's the line there, and it's either on the left hand side of that line or the right hand side of that line. So it asks us just to label it R. Sometimes they ask you to shade it, but they seem to be happier with labeling it as R, because some people shade out the region they don't want and some people shade the region that they do. So they ask you to label it with an R. So it says x is greater than or equal to 3.5, so that R can be anywhere on the right hand side of that line. It has a little line underneath it here that says it can be equal to it. If it didn't have that line, then the line I drew would have to be dashed.